That son of a bitch better call me, or he'll get busted as hell. I'm armed today. I'm armed. And I'm not joking. Better go get some of my beer. Hello?
That's Isaac.
Yeah, I killed him.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I'm afraid to say that I'm gonna have to kill you if you're not gonna do what I say.
First of all, I don't believe that. I don't believe that.
Oh, you'll believe it.
Oh, yeah?
You'll believe it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what are you gonna do?
Oh, I'll shoot you with this enormous gun right here.
Well, you can shove it up your ass.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Prepare to be shoved up.
Oh, I think I heard I think I heard you reload the gun.
Yep.
Well, how are you gonna kill me if we're in both different houses?
Like this. Feeling dizzy yet? Oh, I killed you. Oh well. Hey, you stupid camera. You didn't have enough? You're gonna have enough.
Oh my God, Isaac, I'm alive.
Shut the hell